All right, guys, so we are in the car. We're getting ready to head to the Goodwill. I got my camera propped up here on my dashboard. I hope it stays. It might fall. I don't know because I don't have one of those little devices that will hold it in place. But anyway, we're getting ready to head to the Goodwill to drop those clothes off. Well, no, I think I'm going to go get gas first because I'm almost done eating. So I'm going to go get gas. Then we're going to go to Thompson because I'm not sure when their store closes and I've gotten a late start. It's after 12. Usually when you go thrifting, it's best to go early in the morning, like as soon as they open. So like 9 a.m. is a really good time, but I just got a late start. Since I'm on vacation, I've just been like hugging the bed. But yeah, anyway, we're about to do this thing. Just leaving the house. So yeah, let's go. Hopefully we'll find some things. This is a cute little bag right there. I really like that. That's nice. I like the beading detail on that. That's kind of cute. That might be doable. We shall keep looking. That's an interesting bag with the wood detail. Haven't seen anything like this before. Look at that closure. Snap closure. Now that's interesting. And it's a fabric, so it looks like it might be easy to clean. That's kind of neat. But of course, I'm going to keep looking. Hi, how are you? Thank you. That's it.
Jesus Christ. And all the brethren who are with me.
But anyway, we're here at Goodwill, and I have brought you to this location before, but not since they have redone the inside. It looks more like a department store, like TJ Maxx or whatever. So here's like the front store window. As you can see, look how jazzy they look. Do it, Goodwill, do it. So anyway, coming in, we got the little opening. Like I said, it kind of looks like you're going into Ross or somewhere. So yeah, it looks like a department store. But I am coming here to look. I only spent $11 at the other place. So let's see how well we can do at this Goodwill. I love how, Goodwill does it. They're always color coordinated. They got everything so orderly now, which is really, really cool. But I'm going straight to the shoes because you know how I am. I like shoes. Shoes are the thing, guys. Let's see what they got. Hi guys, this is Audrey, also known as Noble Strength, and welcome back to my channel. And this is day 2 because I just could not get it all in yesterday. I got a late start on the Come Thrift With Me video, and so I am filming the next day, thus the clothing change. And I'm going to just show you what I got. I did not get a lot of clothing items, but collectively I got, quite a few nice things. So I'll share everything with you, but we'll start with the clothing items first. First, I'm going to start with the things that I got from the first thrift store, which is, I believe, Attic Treasures, and those clothing items were $1. So this first thing that I got, which is so cheery and I love, 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 is this beautiful yellow top, which reminds me of spring. And spring is just around the corner. I know I'm talking about it early, it's only January, but it's funny how when you're in a season, you're always anticipating the next season. So anyway, I love this yellow top. It just makes me smile because of the flowers, because of the colors, and I love this crisscross detailing. I'm just gonna kind of come in quickly here. It has this nice V-neck and then the crisscross here, and then in the back it has this little peep cut out here. I just love it. Now it has the bell sleeves, which are, really cute, flirty, fun, very feminine and springy. I just like the flowiness of this top, so I can't wait to wear this. Next, I got jeans. I love jeans and I'm always recycling them, trying to find the best pair in the world. And so I got some more bootcut jeans. And these are not worth taking off the hanger in the sense that they're just a plain pair of bootcut jeans, but they are Gap jeans. And I got them because they're a distressed jean, but in a darker denim, which I don't have, and pretty wide legs. So I thought these would be cool and slimming. And the other reason why I got it is because the belt loops are really wide, so you can wear them with a wide, thick belt. One thing I hate is putting on a pair of jeans and trying to fit a belt through it and it won't go through the hoops. So this will fit my wider belt bands, and I just really like how thick the whole overall waistband is. So I got those. Next, I got this fabulous pair, which is worth taking off the hanger to show you because it has some awesome detailing in it. So I love the detail on the pocket on these jeans. So we're going to zoom in up close here. So we have this nice kind of southwestern stitching detailing. Love that. You've got the nice stitching along here. And at the bottom, you also on the hem have that nice stitching. I just like things like that on a pant there along the pocket. And what is so cool is nobody's gonna see this but me, but just knowing that this bandana type print is on the inside of the pocket is like way cool. So I love those. They have a distressed look as well. So I'm looking forward to wearing these. And this brand is a brand I haven't heard of, but it's called Antique Denim, and it has this nice little leather patch sewn in on here with this kind of like silver emblem with an eagle on it. So I'm gonna have to look them up online to see what typically their jeans go for. I'm gonna check that out. Next, I got a pair of retro pants in red. Haha. So these pants are Bill Blast vintage style pants. Now, you know, sizing varies throughout the decade, so I don't even know if I'm going to be able to fit these because I did not try anything on, and I did not do the neck test. And if you're like, what is the neck test? If you don't know about the neck test is when you take a pair of pants, you wrap it around your neck, and if it meets up, more than likely you can wear it. Well, I did not do that, but just looking at this tiny waist, I don't know, guys. We'll find out in a few minutes. But anyway, they're just a plain pair of plain front pants, and they zip on the side, button on the side, and they have a little bit of a split on the side as well. So I thought these would be cool to rock in a bunch of different ways, especially with a denim shirt and a white shirt, just a black shirt. I mean, hey, you can do so much with this and with layering and all that. So I'm looking forward to wearing these. And finally, I got this kind of retro inspired dress. It took me back to the 80s. I remember dresses like this from the 80s. So you just got this kind of oversized dress. I think this would be great with some tights and some pumps, some colorful tights and pumps. It would be really cute. You could wear this with leggings, which is what I intend on doing, is just pairing this with a pair of leggings and some booties and just being about my way. This is a New York & Company dress, and I got it in a large so that I would have a lot of room, and I just can't wait to wear it. The only thing I wish it had pockets. It would have been way too cool if it had pockets. So those are all my clothing items. Now I'm going to show you my non-clothing items, so please stick around. I'll be right back. All right, everyone, time for the non-clothing thrifted items. Let me just jump right into it. I got to start off with my most fabulous find. Let me just digress for a moment. Do you know what the wonder years are? If you do not know what your wonder years are, let me just get you up to speed. Your wonder years are those years that are most dear to you, that are in your heart, that you will never forget. And typically your wonder years are somewhere in your youth, in your childhood, somewhere between the ages of, say, 10 and 14, 15, 16, somewhere in there. And so depending on the decade you were born in, it's going to vary to what your wonder years are. If you were born in the 70s like me, then that means your wonder years are going to be in the 80s, thus bringing us back up to date with my next item that I found. I got this bolo tie. Now, this bolo tie has been on my wish list for quite some time because I used to have a bolo tie back in the 80s, but you know, you tend to be trendy when you're young and you let go of things and you don't hold on to them, and I wish I had held on to it. It would be so cool. But anyway, I found a bolo tie, so I can check that off my list. So if you have not started a wish list, go ahead and start you one now, because if you keep thrifting you know, you will eventually start marking off some things that are on your wish list. So I found the bolo tie. Now this one has a beautiful little bird. I don't know if you can see, but it's just got this really cool bird, and it looks like it's Native American, like it might be this Southwestern type. And what I like about it, I only paid $2 for this, and I believe that these are some semi-precious stones in this inlay here. And this is a leather band, and I just love it. And so you flip it and you just slide it up and down to tighten it. But I got this at an awesome deal, so I'm so thrilled that I got this bolo tie. By the way, have any of you rocked bolo ties, or do you rock bolo ties now? But anyway, I got that. Next, I got the purse. You saw me eyeing it in the clip before. I went ahead and got it. I love it because of the natural beading on the handle. And this is a wheatgrass purse. This is what it says on the inside. Never heard of a wheatgrass purse, but I love the woven natural fibers of it. I think it is so cute. Can't wait to rock this in the spring and summer. It's just got a light kind of feel to it. Really cool. I was thinking about doing some kind of like African vibe with this. I don't know, I'm just getting that natural kind of African motif type thing with this. So I got that. The next thing that I got was this eye-catching purse here. When I saw it, the wooden handles caught my eye. It's got that whole retro look going on. But what sold me was the condition of the bag and this unique opening here. This bag I don't think was ever used because it still has this cardboard insert on the inside. So let me just take that out, I guess to help keep its structure. So it's pristine on the inside with this yellow fabric here. And I just can't wait to rock this cute little bag right here, this cute little number. And when I was walking around the thrift store with this, a couple of people stopped me. It's like, oh, such a cute bag, such a cute bag. So sometimes you get your confirmation on whether or not something is a statement piece by the reactions that you get from other shoppers when you have something in your cart. So anyway, got that. Last thing that I got was this picture frame from Goodwill. Oh, and you know what, guys? I told you about the bolo tie was like $2. These purses, I think, were $1 because I got those at Attic Treasures. Got this at Goodwill for $1.91, new picture frame. And I got it because I am going to put a picture of me and my girlfriend from her wedding in this picture frame. I just think it was a perfect picture frame for that. So those are all the items that I got from this thrifting. Guys, I almost forgot to show you the shoes. I got so excited over that bolo tie. I tell you that I forgot. I did get some shoes. You know me, I love shoes. So I got, these are some Clark's Artisan shoes. And I love this line from Clark's. They are so comfortable. You know Clark's shoes are comfortable anyway. So they have the wedge heel, but it's just this kind of grayish brown color shoe. It has the Velcro strap for easy on, easy off. But I just thought that these were so good. And if I am not mistaken, I was told by one of my viewers that this is called jute, because I couldn't remember what it was called the last time I uploaded a video. So these are called jute. So anyway, it has the jute wedge heel, and anyway, that is a cute and comfy shoe. I got those, and they have barely been worn. They have a rubber sole, but I just think they're adorable, nice and comfy for the spring. And then the other pair of shoes that I got are a 9 West shoe, and they kind of have that 70s vibe feel to it. The way that they're made is kind of like this T-strap almost, but not quite a T-strap, and it has the peep toe. And these are suede and has a low heel. They're very comfortable and just adorable to wear with a kind of a long skirt. A flowy dress. I just imagine wearing that with these with that or those. But anyway, that's the cute shoe, and these have barely been worn as well. I always look at the heel first. So these are 9 West, and I had to show those because I almost forgot those. So that is all of my non-thrifted items, guys. All right, so those are all the items that I got, but you know I'm gonna style them for you. I said, you know what? I'm not gonna style these things. I am not gonna style these things. I guess I will style these things. What have you thrifted lately? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And I want to give a shout out to Multifaceted. She has a wonderful channel where she does home decor. Hi Helen H. She is the bomb and her channel is blowing up. I have been watching her for quite a while now and she's doing really well. She does everything for the home, everything. She's just like super mom, super decor, everything. So shout out to you and all of my other subscribers who are non-content creators. I love you as well. I thank you for supporting my channel. It's coming up on 2 years. It'll be 2 years in March that I've been uploading videos. So thank you so much for tuning in. So if you're new and you have not liked or subscribed, please click like, subscribe. Click on the bell, the notification button, so you can get more videos. If you want to see thrift hauls, if you want to be uplifted and encouraged, then this is the channel for you, Noble Strength. And I'll see you next time. And remember to always be a good steward of all that God has given you because He truly loves us so much. Bye, guys.